Hello, come on in. So this is room 538 at the Ritz Carlton Dubai. And it's a one-bedroom suite, so we just want to take you on a tour.
By the way, if you'd like a free copy of the Top Flight Family Travel Guide to Kid-Friendly Dubai, just go to topflightfamily.com/go Dubai. Many thanks to the Ritz Carlton Dubai for hosting us on this trip.
So first when you come in, you've got the coffee area here. Got your different coffee pods, sugar, creamer. Here you've got a hot water kettle and an ice bucket at the bottom. You've got wine and some snacks. And then over here you've got your mini bar, fridge, a nice selection. Champagne, wine, liquor, soda, sparkling water. And then the door right here, right across from the entrance, is the powder room. So we've got a nice little sink here and the toilet. And then this is the living room, and as you can see, they really treated our girls. They know that they love Hello Kitty, so they hooked them up with some big Hello Kitty balloons. Oh my God, they were so excited when they came in. And so they brought in these rollaway beds for the girls, and they've got their own Ritz Carlton robes, pink robes here with the balloons. And no, I actually didn't even realize this, but they're actually embroidered with their names, Sean and Ella. Super cute. So we can actually keep these. The girls also love the little towel swan right here. Super cute. And when the kids checked in, they give them this nice pack of activities and coloring. And then this is also the schedule for the kids club. So every day they've got a full schedule of activities at the kids club beyond just the amenities that are already in the club. So the girls are very excited about this. And check out these adorable little treats that they gave them. Hello Kitty. I think these are like, oh, little cakes. Super cute. So this is the living room area, and another very special touch that they did is before we checked in, they had asked us to send a family photo, and I wasn't really sure what for, but yeah, they created this beautiful canvas art piece for us, which is an awesome memory. This was actually a photo of us from the summer in Jamaica. It was a fun trip, so really thoughtful. I think this is what makes Ritz Carlton such a great brand for families. They really go above and beyond it, like making your stay special. And this is our beautiful welcome plate, selection of dates and different Arabic pastries. You can check out these little welcome plates for the girls. They got them some mini cupcakes. It's got their names, Sean and Ella. And then this camel on this pretend sand, which is super adorable. And they even got chocolate milk. What kid doesn't love chocolate milk, right? We've got a nice cookie plate. They hooked us up with a box of, I'm guessing these are either chocolates or dates. And yeah, this was definitely an amazing welcome. So thank you so much, Ritz Carlton. So let me take you into the bedroom. So, as you can tell, we've got a great spacious king bed and TV right here, and the TV can roll down. Let me see if I can figure out how to work this thing. Ooh. So then if you don't want to watch TV, it's hidden away. It won't be in your way. Got a nice lounge chair right here, overlooking the beautiful view, which we'll look at in a second. And look at these gorgeous gifts. Again, personalized robes. This one is for Serge with some gorgeous roses. And one for me as well. Thank you so much, guys. This was really awesome. Oh, and another part that's really cool is the way you control the lighting and the temperature is through this interface right here. So lighting, you can control the light in the living room, the bedroom. AC, you can control the temperature here, fan speed, temperature. Even the curtains you can close or open from here. Services, do not disturb, or if you want your room made up. And then finally, this is also an alarm clock. So this is, I love this. It's like so sleek. And everything is in one place. You don't have to like look for the different switches and thermostats all over the place. Let's do let's do the closet storage area. So this is really nice. It's like kind of a long, narrow hallway of closets. You've got your vanity here, so you can get ready, put on your makeup, do your hair. Nice big mirror, which is great. Tons of storage, so this is perfect for families. You've got 2 big closets here with an ironing board, luggage rack, another robe, extra pillow, slippers, and you've got your laundry shoe shine supplies there. And then this closet is half shelves, half hanging. Super useful. And then finally, one more closet here, and this one also has the safe, which is right here. So you can keep all your valuables in there. Oh, this is super cute. It's like a little beach bag. That's so useful. So when you head to the beach, you can just use this. You can shake it out all the sand. And got an extra pillow there. Let me see what's down here. Okay, just extra storage. And then this shelf is great to put luggage. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. So yeah, my jaw dropped when we saw this huge tub. And of course the girls got in it right away. So gorgeous, huge tub. This is beautiful. This little stand here of all the supplies and all the extra towels. Asprey, which is the brand that a lot of Ritz Carltons carry, the purple water, which smells fantastic always. And double vanity here. And one thing I really like about international luxury hotels is that they really don't skimp on the extra toiletries. So I feel like a lot of domestic hotels, they just give you really just the basics. But here you've got dental kit, soap of course, shaving kit. So they just give you a lot of extras. Oh, it looks like there's an emery board, a comb, and it's just so helpful when you travel because inevitably you forget something. And I'm actually not too sure what this is. Oh, this is the TV in the mirror. Let me see if I can work this. Oh, very cool. So you can actually watch TV right here, and I think it kind of pipes in the sound through the sound system in this bathroom. So you can see all your channels and various other things. Okay, so here is the washroom. Really big, spacious, and it's got a bidet like a lot of bathrooms in Dubai. And then, guys, you gotta check out the shower. Look how huge this is. So there are, okay, look, I'm all the way back here. So yeah, there are actually 2 handheld shower heads. And then also we've got your whole ceiling panel. And I'm guessing these are also shower heads, right? So yeah, I mean, we could literally have our whole family in here showering at the same time. So can't wait to dig into this bathroom. All right, let's check out the deck. So we've got this beautiful balcony right here. You can see Sean cheesing it up.
What's poppin'?
And they've got a great view of the pool, the beach, water, the grounds of the hotel. Yeah, beautiful landscaping, right? Okay, so thank you for joining me on this room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is the 1-bedroom suite at the Ritz Carlton Dubai. Bye.
To see more from this trip, click the link to watch our complete Dubai travel vlog. Top Flight family received complimentary accommodations, meals, and spa treatments.